Claude Opus 4.7, better than Opus 4.6, GPT 5.4 and Gemini 3.1 Pro. In agentic coding, terminal coding, scaled tool use, agentic financial analysis. Substantially better at following instructions, improved multilingual support, doing real-world work, and it is better at using file system-based memory. Topping the ELO score, better at misaligned behavior, and much more information regarding this. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Claude Opus 4.7 just got released today. I personally always use Claude Opus 4.6 for my coding purpose, but now we got 4.7, and Opus is the top performing model from Anthropic. Agentic coding performance by effort level. With max effort, the performance is really good. While calling this model, we can set what effort you want to use. So for 4.7, we got totally 5 different effort. X high introduced only in Opus 4.7. While calling the model, you just set the effort here in the output config. If the effort is max, it's going to use the fullest performance to complete the task. Opus 4.7, notable improvement in advanced software engineering with particular gains on the most difficult tasks. Opus 4.7 handles complex, long-running tasks with rigor and consistency. It pays precise attention to instructions, but its performance is little lower than Claude Mythos Preview, which you can see here. Mythos Preview is the recent model by Anthropic, and it is far ahead of all of these models. Opus 4.7 is available today across all Claude platforms and API, but the pricing remains the same, $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. Feedback from Intuit, it catches its own logical faults during the planning phase and accelerates execution far beyond previous Claude models. From Augment Code, it stands out not just for raw capability, but for how well it handles real-world async workflows, such as automations, CI/CD pipeline, long-running tasks. It also thinks more deeply about problems. During today's launch, there's a new feature in Claude Code called Ultra Review, a slash command that reads through changes and flags bugs. Also, they are introducing auto mode to all Max users, which means you can run longer tasks with fewer interruptions. Previously, we were using skip dangerously permissions, but now the auto mode is comparatively better than allowing every single request. It is using classifiers to automate some decisions, much more safer than the dangerously skip permissions. Considering security and safety, and this is task autonomy, if you bypass all the permission, that's much more risky. But using auto mode, it's much more secure and much more autonomous compared to these options. Opus 4.7 has a new tokenizer. This means it's also a new base model. Also, there is a feedback Opus 4.7 deleting all long context gains from Opus 4.6. When you see Opus 4.6, you can see context gain here. Now for 4.7 Max, again it came back lower compared to Opus 4.6. This also supports high resolution images. So you don't need to downscale your high resolution images when you include that within your prompt. More taste in UIs, slides and docs. If you're a cursor user, you can try it for half the price. If you're a Windsurf user, you can try this 4.7 for promotional pricing until April 30th. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Claude Opus 4.7, I also created another video about managed agents released by Anthropic. I'll put the link in here and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.